Alo. Nasılsın? Ben de iyiyim. Ya diyecektim. Akşam yemeğe çıkalım mı? Çok sıkıldım evde. Süper. Kaç gibi? Tamam, anlaştık o zaman. Görüşürüz. Bye bye. Namaste everyone. I'm Upasana and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you why learning Turkish was an easy process for me. The Turkish language belongs to the Turkic language family and it is considered to be category 2 language in terms of difficulty for English speakers. Unlike some foreign languages, let's say French, Turkish is easier to learn because it's written exactly as it's spoken and spoken as it's written. Let me give you an example. The word for boy is erkek. Erkek. No, it's not a cake. Erkek. See, it's written exactly as I pronounced it and it's pronounced exactly as it's written. That's simple, right? Did you know that Turkish has a lot of common words with Urdu? Let me give you some examples. Can. Badşah. In Turkish, it's padişah. Saval. In Turkish, it's sual. Cevap. In Turkish, it's cevap. And then there's words like insan, which is insan in Urdu or Turkish. Then there's duvar. Then there's tamiz. In Turkish, it's slightly modified to temiz. And what else can I think of from the top of my head? Surat in Urdu, surat in Turkish. And then there's dunya, which is exactly the same in Urdu too. Now this is because Urdu is a mix of Persian and local Hindi of the times, during the Mughal times. So basically Turkish has a lot of words which have been borrowed from Persian, Arabic and a little bit of French. During my first year in Turkey, what I did to improve upon my Turkish and improve upon what I had learned in class was to go back to the dorm and binge watch Turkish movies and TV serials. I didn't understand anything when I watched them because I didn't use the subtitles. Why? Because I wanted to get my ears used to the sound of Turkish. Haven't you seen like babies? They don't go to school to learn a language. You just have to get used to it. On and on and on and on and on and on and on again. It worked. Apart from that, I also listened to Turkish music day in and day out. Hell, I even attended a Tarkan concert. You don't know who Tarkan is? Like seriously? I really wanted to sing Tarkan's song for you, but there are gonna be copyright issues probably, so I'll just put the link of the song in the description box some other time, yeah. Socializing with the locals was another factor that helped me learn Turkish much faster than I would probably have. I believe the best way to learn any foreign language is to mingle with the locals. No matter how many excellent classes you attend to learn a language, doesn't matter if you score 100 upon 100, it all comes down to applying the language when you're out on the streets. Let's say when you're ordering food, asking for directions, buying stuff from the supermarket, etc., etc. I was never shy of making mistakes. Also during the first year when my Turkish vocabulary was... I still went out and tried speaking in Turkish. This one time I went to the market to buy bread and I asked the shopkeeper, "Emek ne kadar?" And he looked blankly at me and I had to point towards the shelf of bread behind him. And he started laughing and told me that it was not emek, it was ekmek, which meant emek meant labor. And I basically had asked him then, what is the cost of labor? But look at me now. Now it's safe to say that my Turkish is at native speaker levels. Don't believe me? Ya inanmıyor ya. Gerçekten diyorum. Çok güzel Türkçe konuşuyorum ben. If I were to start making a list of the compliments I've got for my Turkish, I don't mean to brag, but this is like honestly true story. Ay kızım sen ne güzel Türkçe konuşuyorsun. Teşekkür ederim teyze. Kızım senin Türkçen maşallah. Teşekkür ederim. Yabancı dil öğrenmek bu kadar kolay değil kızım. Sen nasıl 9 ayda öğrenmişsin be? Zekiyim de ondandır. Finally, there's an expression in Turkey which is applicable to a zillion different situations. And if you know that, hey, do you want some chocolate? Good Lord, you seem so stressed for tomorrow's exam. Maybe I should get you some coffee? Can you believe this? None of my dresses fit me anymore. I think I've put on a lot of weight. Upasana, do you think I put on a lot of weight? I heard he's really sick and probably he's not going to make it. Do you think he's going to make it? Please give me another chance. I'm going to make it up to you. Please. The upward head tilt means I'm not interested or it's just a simple no, but without actually saying the words. In the beginning, I was so darn confused. This reminds me of the time I flew to India from Turkey and I stayed back at my cousin's place. She told me she was going to make some tea or coffee, I don't exactly remember, for herself and asked me if I wanted some too. Turns out I kept doing this head tilt thingy and she was losing it because she couldn't understand what that thing meant. So yeah, I no longer look at Turkish as a foreign language because inevitably it's a part of me now. I love the sound of it. I love how learning Turkish has enabled me to find a home away from home in Istanbul. It applies for any language, I guess. It becomes a part of you. It contributes to your personality. It adds to who you are. It widens your horizon and your outlook of life. That's it for today. I really hope that you liked this episode of my Istanbul experience and thank you so much for your time. If you haven't already subscribed, then please hit the subscribe button and show me some love. Bye!